Hi, I have a reservation under Celia Miller.
Welcome, Miss Miller. Let me pull up your reservation. Yes, I found it. You're staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. May I please see your ID and a credit card for the deposit?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. And will you need one room key or two?
Just one is fine. Oh, also, I drove here. Do you have parking?
Yes, we do. We have a covered parking garage right behind the hotel.
Nice. Is parking free or is there a fee?
There is a $15 per night parking fee. It will be added to your room.
No problem. Do I need a parking pass or something?
Yes, once check-in is complete, I'll give you a parking permit. Please place it on your dashboard.
Will do. And how do I get to the parking area from here?
After you exit the lobby, turn left. You'll see a ramp that goes down to the garage entrance. The gate will open automatically.
Okay, that sounds easy. If I leave and come back later, does the permit still work?
Yes, it's valid for the entire stay. You can enter and exit as many times as you want.
Perfect.
All right, your room is ready. You're in room 324, and here is your key. Elevators are to your right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need help with your luggage or have more questions, just let us know. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. Do you serve breakfast here?
Good morning. Yes, we do. Breakfast is served on the first floor in the Joy Cafe.
Oh, great. What time does breakfast start and end?
Breakfast runs from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. every day.
Nice. Is it included with my room?
Let me check. Yes, breakfast is included in your stay. You just need to give your room number when you enter the cafe.
Perfect. What kind of breakfast do you have?
We have a buffet with eggs, toast, fruit, pastries, cereals, and hot items. There are also vegetarian and gluten-free options.
Oh, good. Do you have anything dairy-free?
Yes, we offer almond milk, coconut milk, and soy yogurt. If you need anything else, just let the staff know.
Thank you. And one more thing.
Of course. What else can I help you with?
Is it usually crowded around 9 a.m.? I don't want to wait too long.
Around 8:30 to 9:30, it gets a bit busy, but you should still find a table. The quietest time is right after opening.
Great. I'll go early then. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
Hello. I'd like to order room service, please.
Of course. May I have your room number?
324. And could you tell me what's on the menu?
Sure. We have sandwiches, salads, pasta, burgers, cauliflower crust pizza, and desserts.
Great. I'd like a cheeseburger, fries, and a salad.
Anything to drink?
Yes, coffee, please. Also, do you have extra napkins and utensils?
Yes, I'll include them.
Can I pay with my card?
Absolutely. Shall I charge it to your room?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Your order will arrive in about 25 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hi, I have a problem with my room.
Oh, I'm sorry. What's the issue?
The people next door are very loud.
I apologize. Can you hear music or talking?
It sounds like kids are running and jumping nonstop, and the TV is very loud. Could I get a room on a quieter floor?
Absolutely. I can move you to the 4th floor.
Great. Also, do you provide earplugs just in case?
Yes, I'll bring a pair to your new room.
Thank you. And can I ask for extra soap while I move?
Of course, I'll send them right away.
Perfect. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. We want you to be comfortable.
Hello, I need some help with transportation.
Of course. Where are you going?
To the airport tomorrow morning. Can you also tell me if taxis are available right now?
Yes, I can call one for you.
Perfect. How long will it take to get to the airport?
About 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
Do you also have a shuttle service?
Yes, it runs every hour.
Great. Can you reserve a shuttle for 7:30 a.m.?
Done. Anything else you need for your trip?
Could you store my luggage after I check out?
Absolutely. We'll keep it safe until your departure.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a smooth journey.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning, Miss Miller. Can I have your room key?
Here it is. Also, I parked my car in your garage. How does that work with billing?
Your parking fee is $15 per night. I'll add it to your room bill.
Okay. Can I pay everything together?
Yes, your total comes to $356, including the parking fee. How would you like to pay?
Credit card, please.
Perfect. All done? Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Can I leave my car here for a few more minutes while I grab my bags?
Of course. The gate will stay open for another 20 minutes.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. We hope you enjoyed your stay and look forward to seeing you again.